The sun is out, shining down on all of us. We're here in Hong Kong still. We're gonna head over to our next snaky location. So stay tuned, we got a lot of stuff planned for you guys. There it is. Sixth strongest typhoon that hit Hong Kong about a month and a half ago. Still see some of the debris and damage, but for the most part, it looks like you guys have recovered pretty well. Pesci Alley with a black stripe here, en route to our secret location. Well, not so much of a secret, but nice spot. All right, guys, the Snake Tour 2018 Hong Kong edition continues here at Pagani. We got the final Dynastia Huayra right here, one of three. Now, this has drastically changed since the original renderings that Aaron Chun is actually going to show us in a little bit. This is not really a Huayra BC wing. It's got the little two struts right here. You got a Huayra BC right up there. Do a little comparison with the wings. But originally, the rendering did not have this massive wing in the rear. It just had the fin right there. And of course, I think the original rendering did not have brown carbon. This is brown carbon, or what is this? Like a gold? Kind of brownish gold carbon. Everything has changed. The front spoiler right here, the canards right here as well. This has a roof scoop as well that the original rendering and the 118 model that already came out prior to this being completed does not have. And of course, the gold wheels, the gold calipers, gold everything, and of course the wing. This is the last of the three Dynastia Huayras. Of course, you got the dragon right over there on the fin, which is pretty unique. It's got the fin and now this massive wing right here. As with any Huayra or Huayra BC or any one-off, the interiors on these are extremely intricate. Quite a unique color combination, wouldn't you say? One last look at the final Dynastia American reflectors and its left-hand drive. So in Hong Kong, as you know from my last video, you cannot have any left-hand drive cars here unless you have a special plate. And with that special plate, you cannot have any passengers. So a lot of limitations here in Hong Kong. You know, I thought we had it bad in America. You also technically cannot modify your car whatsoever in Hong Kong. So if you get pulled over by the police, you got tints, you got some modifications, guess what? If they're having a bad day, you're gonna have a bad day. This is the original spec of the final Huayra Dynastia in a 1/8 scale amalgam form. Pretty sick model, but I think Amalgam is gonna have to make another one for this guy because he's changed so much. He's added the wing, the diffuser's different. He's got the Tempesta package wheels, different caliper color. The pinstriping here, you can't really see it. I think the camera can pick it up, but it's red. No roof scoop, the interior is different, and of course the front as well is massively different. So, oh, and there's no US reflectors on this model car, so gotta put those on. Here we go, guys. We got the 1/18 scale BBR model of the Huayra Dynastia. This one I do have in my collection, and you can check out that video. I'll link it right up here on the top right-hand corner. But it's got the normal wheels, silver, but on the real car right here to my right, it's got the Tempesta package gold wheels. Aaron Chun says the Huayra Dynastia exhaust right here is somewhat different than that of a normal Huayra. You think it's different? We're just gonna say it's different. Yeah. If you want to correct us in the comments below, please do so. But we saw this car a couple years ago in Beijing or Shanghai? Shanghai. It was like a toy exposition. We're gonna open up the interior to this D2 Dynastia. It's called the Yazhi edition. I'm probably butchering that Chinese name right up there, but the teal interior right here, it's something special, man. It's extremely unique. Would you guys rather have this or the D3, the one with the gold and brown carbon fiber that we just saw earlier? Originally, it's gonna be red, gold, and blue. But as you can tell right over here, everything has changed. Seeing 2 out of 3 Dynastias here at the Hong Kong showroom, Pagani. The third one was featured in a previous video when I last visited Hong Kong, but there you guys have it. Full 360 view of the Pagani Dynastia D2 Yazhi edition. And of course, the 1/18 scale model right over here. I gotta send my model in and get that sorted out because honestly, I like this, but with the gold wheels, slightly better. So if anyone knows who can customize a 1/18 scale model, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to ship my model out to whoever can do that for me. So, and oh, by the way, carbon fiber tabletop right over here. So we got these pretty sick looking Pagani Huayra Roadster sketches. Let me, hold on, use one hand and my elbow to take these out. They're kind of like rendering sketches on pretty nice, thick printed paper here. Now, let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do some sort of giveaway. Here we go, guys. Today's obligatory dog spot. We got a Corgi. Hello. Ooh, it's quite big. Alright, we're gonna head over to New Ace where we bought all the model cars, the 118 model cars, so here we go. Alright guys, you guys are always wondering where I buy my model cars. This is the premier 118 store right here, newace.com.hk. Check out the site. They update their inventory pretty damn often. Got all the 118s here lined up, ready to roll at the drop of a hat. Now the real question is, which car do I buy? Lot to choose from. We're gonna go inside, take a quick look. We've already pre-selected 2 or 3 cars inside. All right guys, we're currently inside the pearly gates of model car heaven here in New Ace. 118, 143, 164, you name it, any brand, any manufacturer, any type, it is most likely here inside the store. But we pre-selected, I think 2 or 3 cars right around the corner. We're gonna take a quick look. All right guys, so we got the LaFerrari Aperta in matte blue with a Nardo gray interior, blacked out wheels, 1 of 25 New Ace edition. Got the 1 of 60 white, Fuji white Enzo 118 scale by BBR right over here. What do you guys think? Should we scoop these up?
I think it's perfect.
Perfect?
This is a good
This
spec.
is a really, really good spec. Spec'd out by the owner of New Ace, is that correct?
Yeah.
1 of 25,
Yeah.
right.
But that one got the nice interior as well.
This has the nice interior. There are only 2 or 3 Fuji white Enzos in the entire world. Might have to swipe the card, so to speak. Oh, we're also looking at the Blue Apollo.
Yeah, that's right.
Blue Apollo right over here. Check it out. Brand new by Pico. IE in blue. Might have to scoop that up as well. They got a whole variety of colors here. Chameleon, red, silver, and of course, flash pink, everyone's favorite. Aaron's trying to steal my LaFerrari Aperta here, but I think we're gonna scoop that one up. The Fuji white Enzo, and of course, we just took out the Apollo IE, which we might be seeing in a couple days in Japan, but don't quote me on that. Number 12 out of 30 right here. This is a pretty good trio of hypercars to scoop up.
All of them is pretty limited.
This is a reason why I don't scoop up any 143 scale models. There's so many variations of every iteration of every car, as you can see right here. But my goodness, check that out. I didn't even look up. There's a bunch of boxes up there. This is a problem. There's too many things to buy. Ooh, Koenigsegg 1 of 1 and an RS underneath.
What about this?
Oh, nope. I don't collect 143. I can't. See, look how many variations of the 143 I have that they have right here.
Look at that, it's pretty detailed.
Yeah, 143 scale. Endless options and iterations and specs of every car. Huge selection right over here and on the top as well. So just make sure to check out their website. I'm not being paid to say any of this. I'm just speaking from experience. Bought quite a few model cars from New Ace and always had a really, really good 5-star experience. So Mr. Lee at newace.com.hk. That's all the information you need. The Facebook page as well. Is that their Instagram?
Yes.
Maybe. Oh.
Yeah, they have
okay.
Instagram.
Ooh, I did not know they have Instagram. So Mr. Lee has a Facebook, Instagram, of course. The website is right over there. Just picked up 3 cars that's going to be shipped over to Los Angeles next week. So we're going to head over to Japan in a couple days. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now you know the secrets of where I buy all my 118 scale model cars. So, and of course there's eBay too. So secondary market. Yeah. So he's got the Cayenne sticker on the side. He's got a massive Porsche. It's like 10 times the size of a normal Porsche font, and he's got HKS sticker. Wow. You can definitely spot F-Boys a mile away in any country, any town, or any state. Not only do we have this mega F-Boy Porsche Cayenne S, this taxi next to me, he's got fucking 3 cell phones, dude. You see that?
Yeah, that's normal.
Is that normal? Yeah. What? That is not normal in the States though. So what, 1 for GPS?
All of them is for call, taxi station call.
Really?
Yeah, and then you can.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll let him slide in. I was just like, that's a lot of phones he's got on the dashboard. All right, guys, we're currently here out in the countryside. This is where a lot of the morning drives occur. If you recognize this spot right here, all the cars usually line up here, have a little bite to eat, and we got the obligatory dog spot. We got a golden retriever and I think a lab in the back. Not really sure what the white one is. And we're here at the border of China and Hong Kong. That's right, guys. Two separate, anyways, there's Shenzhen in China right across the, is this a lake, sea, or?
No, it's the sea.
The sea,
Yeah.
right over here, so. We're just doing a little countryside exploring here. Got some leftover typhoon damage on this, I guess a passenger ferry? Probably from China, which is actually right over there. These are abandoned too?
Yeah.
Even with the ones with license plates?
Some of them, obviously.
Some of them.
These are obviously.
These are obviously, yeah. Dang. Yeah,
These are the old buses.
Whoa.
Crash ones. Most of the public.
Oh,
Cars.
public transportation.
Yeah. Police cars.
Oh, okay. Buses, mini buses. They're just chilling here. Nope. Did someone drive the car there and was just like, I don't want it? Or like they just. Some of them are like that. But the other ones are like taken for parts or.
Yeah.
Look, there's a bus and truck here.
Yeah.
They're just like on the roof,
Oh,
E-Class.
C-Class, right. Yeah.
Look, a bunch of Priuses.
Yeah, you can get your parts in.